Hey everybody, today I'm just going down an easy breakthrough for you guys to access this new vocabulary sheet I have for you guys. So, all assuming that you are familiar with my website and how to access different files, I'm just going to quickly go over how you can do it, because if you get lost and I'm not available to help you, here's this video that can help you here. So, we start off on the school website, that's casa311.org. You're going to hit my website, right, Mr. Benitez. It's going to bring you up to my home page, right? That's just not my home page. It'll bring you to my home page. Right, on the home page, you're going to go to Files. Right, this is where I'm going to keep many different files available for download. Today, just the vocab template, so here you go. Right, we have the vocabulary template. Use this link to access the template for writing down new vocab words. You're going to click it. It'll take you to Google Docs where, oh, here you go. I have my vocabulary list, right? So here's how to access it. So you're going to right away make a copy, add it to your drive, right? You're going to add it, make a copy. You're going to want to put it in your social studies folder, right? So right off the bat, okay, I've now put it in. I can go to my Google Drive whenever I like. And here we go. And here I have my copy of the vocab template. From here, very, very simple. Right, I'm going to make sure my name is here so I know this is mine when I go through it. I'll put my class. Today I'll be 7P1. We are learning in Unit 1, and here I'll put, my definition today. It's geography, the study of the earth and its features. Some days you might want to put a sentence that'll help you out. Sometimes you might want to put an image. And for every word, you add another word. And if you run out of room, right, you run out of terms, you select all, you copy, you get out of it, and you paste, right? Edit, paste, and you keep adding more, right? Give yourself some room, and there you go. You've got an endless vocabulary list to access. These will always be available for you as long as you keep adding more terms. Alright, this has been a demo. If you have any questions, email me, but I hope this helped tremendously. Thank you.